All right, welcome back to AI content creation. We're gonna have some fun in this video, and we're going to find a business that is successful and they're successfully running ads on TikTok. And then we're going to find a product that we could actually sell and build a full business. But first, it starts with some prompts, right? We want to put together an AI generated marketing campaign that will do most of the work for us. So let me show you how this all works. So I'm over at this tool called pr.tools, and they have a bunch of categories and thousands of prompts that are tried, true, and tested that you can use in your business. But for this particular case, we're going to use two important ones. This first one, I typed in product naming. And you can see that this generate click enticing product. We're going to name our product. I already went and reverse engineered and found a product. And what we're going to do is, let me go and show you how we go and find a product. So I'm over here in TikTok. Now there is an ad library. If you go to Google and you type in a TikTok ads library, oftentimes this is the one that's going to show up, library.tiktok, and that is not going to, you can see right here, this is a different web address right over here. And I'm in the United States, so I can't search for United States in here for whatever reason. And this one just is not the best one to go for. So if you have a TikTok ads account, you could use this other one if you need to, because you don't have to be logged in to use it. But over here, I'm logged in, and you're going to go to inspiration and then go to top ads dashboard. And then what we do is I want to sell a kitchen object. So then I come over here and I find under apparels and accessories or appliances, and then we come over here and we select kitchen and bathroom. And then this is people that in the last 30 days that are running ads on TikTok. And you can see how many likes they're getting over here, their click-through rate, and their budget. And so what that means is that is telling us that this is what is working and people are spending money on this and how many likes they're getting and their click-through rate, a 22% click-through rate. That's really, really good. We can go and mimic this and go and find a similar. So I'm using this to just do some basic product research. So then I found this one over here. It's actually a bottle that blends your smoothie up for you. So it's a portable juicer, portable mixer, portable blender, if you will. But it looks really cool, like a blender that I've never seen before. It looks like it's like in a glass type jar. So we're going to run with that. And then what we do is we come over here and we go in this place called Alibaba. And then right over here, what I can do is I can say bottle blender, and I can type that in, and we can go and search and see, and there are all these different bottles that are blenders. Look at, there's one that's very, very similar to that one that we were just looking at. We have this one right over here. It's a bottle smoothie mixer. We also have one over here that looks very similar as well. And so we're just going to take that and run with it, right? So this one, we could get this for $1.40 per unit, and we could sell this for $25, right? So this is how you would go out and create a Shopify store and do some e-commerce, okay? But I'm going to show you how we can use the power of prompting now, because now we're going to come back over here and now we know what we want to sell. So the product description is a bottle, let's see, it's a portable bottle smoothie blender, right? So very descriptive. And I'm going to push this copy button. We're going to use the power of this pr.tools. They have a nice prompt library in here, and that we can go and push copy. And then what it's going to do is automatically open up your ChatGPT account. And if you have access to ChatGPT 4, then we're going to have the ability to get that ChatGPT 4. Of course, if you have the subscription, it's $20 a month. That's the one you're going to want to use. It's going to do a better job of that. So I'm going to go ahead and just put my cursor in here and then do Control V, and it automatically pastes. And we can see what's going on here on the screen. I want you to act as an SEO and conversion rate optimization expert that speaks and writes fluent target language. And some of these are, they could be kind of messed up at the verbiage, but ChatGPT is so smart, it's going to be able to decipher everything that you're intending out of these. So pretend that you have the most accurate and most detailed information about the title, about the product, based on the product information given below. Create a unique and very enticing product name and product description that encourage to buy online. Portable bottle smoothie blender. So they've got a really great prompt. You don't have to do all the thinking. All you have to do is just do that initial little research. We found a product that is selling like hotcakes on TikTok and that is very interesting. And now we're going to go ahead and go, boom, we're going to click that. And it says certainly to create a compelling product name, blah, blah, blah. So here we go. A Blend Go, the ultimate portable smoothie powerhouse. Unleash the power of smoothies. So we have all this different stuff, key features and so forth. Of course, when we get the specifics, we're going to change this stuff down here, but it gives us a name. Now, Blend Go looks so brandable and cool that I have to go and double check now to make sure that that's not already taken. So I'm going to go over here to trademark checker, and I'm going to go and see what's going on with this. We're going to do a trademark search, and it's right over here. And I'm going to put that in, and I'm going to search, and we're going to see what it comes up with. So we have Blend Go. I don't see anything over here that says that it is taken at all. Plenty Plant is all I'm seeing over here. And that's on this one that we have Blend R with an R right there, but I'm not seeing that show up. I'm going to go and see if I can find one more. I'm going to go over here to this TM search because this is the one that I'm used to. Nope, it's not that one. I don't know why. It's definitely looks different than what I've seen in the past. I'm going to go in here and check one more area over here. Found 0 trademarks. So we're good. Blend Go is very brandable, very, very cool looking, one word. So now we can move on to the next step. So we have our description and our product name. So now let's go over here and let's go back over to our handy dandy pr.tools site. And now I'm going to go up here to the search box and type into I'm going to type that in, and we have this prompt over here called all-in-one marketing. Now, if you log in, you can actually favorite these, which is super, super cool. This is just a site that I stumbled upon, and I've never seen it before, and I haven't heard anyone talking about it, but it's super, super cool because it has thousands of prompts built in here that are really, really cool. So now we can go with all-in-one, and this is going to create an entire marketing plan for us. It's going to create emails. It's going to create just a whole, put a business in a box together for us. So I'm going to go ahead and right here, we can actually click on it and it will give you some other options. We can use this right over here, and it's going to tell you kind of what it's going to do for us right over here, right? So it's going to give us an effective email marketing campaign. It's going to just do all kinds of good things for us. So I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to put the product name in right there. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT over here and grab our small description so it knows exactly what this is. And we could even use this whole thing down here as well. I'm going to grab the product description that it gave right over here and see if this will fit inside this box, the entire thing. And it does, it works. And then now we're going to say copy. It's going to open up a new tab, ChatGPT 4, and now I'm going to paste. And now you can see this giant prompt that we have. Act as if you're a professional marketer trying to sell the Blend Go. Do the following. 1, provide a very long, in-depth, detailed description of the target audience. List the pain points in the target audience in bullet format. List the desires of the target audience in bullet point format. Create an engaging and highly converting marketing copy. The marketing copy should be very long and communicate to the product's benefits in an engaging manner. And then it just keeps going on. 3 different style script for a social media video. That can be so you can create your TikTok video. The script must include voiceovers, stage directions, generate an email marketing campaign of 3 emails to nurture your leads. It just continues to go. Landing page structure, included content. So you can build your website, have emails ready to go, your video ready to go. This thing is a powerhouse prompt right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and just push the go button. And now it's going to take some time because it's going to go. Our target audience has been identified, a detailed description. We've got the detailed description right here. Typically age between 20 and 40, tech savvy and often on the move, balancing careers. Pain points, lack of time, inconvenience, compromise on health, resorting to fast food and unhealthy options. Those are some of the pain points, right? And portability, unable to carry standard blenders to work. So these are all really great pain points that we can use in our marketing efforts going forward. Now we have our desires. We want kind of the opposite of the pain points, right? We want more portability and ease of use and quick and healthy healthy options. So that's what this portable blender is going to provide for our target audience, right? Here is the engaging and converting marketing copy for Blend Go. Unleash your health anywhere, anytime with Blend Go. Are you tired of skipping meals or settling for unhealthy snacks due to your busy lifestyle? Meet Blend Go, the ultimate portable smoothie powerhouse designed for people just like you. Active, health conscious, and always on the go. Why Blend Go? So it's creating all this content. Now we have our script is coming out. So we have our landing page copy right over here. We have our script for social media video. Zoom in on the busy individual juggling multiple tasks in a fast lane of life. Finding time for health can be challenging. So if you want to do a voiceover, but again, we could come back here and just do very similar to what they did. They just put some music in here. Make sure you have no copyright music, copyright-free music, and just show the demo of actually using it. And that's probably going to work the best. It's working for them. I wouldn't veer too far from what's actually working. And we'll go check on our, basically I consider ChatGPT a VA, a virtual assistant. It's doing all this work for us in the background. Now we have email, an email marketing campaign. Welcome to Blend Go. Unlock the secret to daily nutrition. And we have our email too, share testimonials and success stories. So it's telling us what we should do in that one. Then it's telling us what we can do over here. Send some recipes for them to use. This could be after people sign up and purchase. You can nurture your email list. That's exactly what that is. It's giving us some social media influencers that we can reach out and send a free copy of our product, and they can go out and create, a video to put on their TikTok channel as well. And then here's a high conversion landing page structure. You have your hero section right over here. It's telling us how to design our landing page for our product. And then right here, we can push continue generating, and it's going to continue generating for us. So finally, we have right over here, this comprehensive strategy ensures that Blend Go's marketing efforts will resonate with the target audience, drive conversions, and establish a strong health conscious community around the product. Imagine how many hours we just saved in research, in professional marketing copy, emails, social media. Just this is an insane prompt that we just got a hold of right here. Look at this giant prompt that we had access to by just using this over here. I'm not an affiliate for the site or anything like that. Just thought I'd share really cool stuff. And then what would you do on this action plan? We researched it. So now you'd go and you could order this. You could even do a concept, right? It's going to cost you about $20 or $30 to set up a Shopify store, use all that, create your page in one day, and then go and order this. Maybe order 10 to 20 of these right off the bat. And then you can start drop shipping. You can find a drop shipper to actually drop ship this item as well. There's all kinds of things you can do to start your e-com business. Super cool stuff, but it all starts with this prompt over here that's really, really cool. And they have all kinds of other prompts. We can just go back to their homepage and you can see right over here, they have a lot of things that you can use. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe to AI content creation, and I hope to see you in our next video.